Hey! Today we are talking about how to become professional project manager. First of all, we have to gain a solid foundation. Then seek practical experience. And then invest in professional development. After it, obtain project management certifications, which is important. At end, develop soft skills. And also build a professional network. Let's explain you deeply, so then you can catch it well. First, gain a solid foundation, which means obtain a strong educational foundation by pursuing a degree or certification in project management or a related field. This will provide you with a solid understanding of project management principles, methodologies, and best practices. You get this degree from our World Best Institute PM training school in cheap fee. It helps you to get certification or degree. Link is in description. Second, seek practical experience means gain practical experience by working on projects in your current job or seeking opportunities to volunteer on project-based initiatives. This hands-on experience will help you develop crucial project management skills and showcase your ability to deliver successful outcomes. Third, invest in professional development means continuously invest in your professional development by attending project management training programs, workshops, and conferences. This will keep you up to date with the latest trends, tools, and techniques in project management and enhance your skill set. Fourth, obtain project management certifications means consider obtaining certifications such as Project Management Professional, PMP, or Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, from reputable organizations. These certifications validate your knowledge and expertise in project management and can enhance your credibility in the field. And you can get these certification from our PM training school in low prices. Link is in description. Fifth, develop soft skills means project managers need strong interpersonal and communication skills to effectively lead teams, collaborate with stakeholders, and manage conflicts. Focus on developing your leadership, communication, negotiation, and problem-solving skills to become a well-rounded project manager. Sixth, build a professional network means connect with experienced project managers, join professional associations, and participate in project management events or online communities. Networking can provide guidance, mentorship, and valuable insights into the field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for new updates.